Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to calculate standard deviation from assume mean method. And now I want to share you some formula. The formula to calculate standard deviation by assume mean method is SD under root summation d square upon n minus summation d square upon n whole square, and standard deviation is denoted by this symbol. And in this formula where d equal to x minus a and a equal to assume mean, and to calculate coefficient of standard deviation we use that formula SD upon mean, where actual mean bar equal to a plus summation fd by n. To calculate the standard deviation, first we need to make table. Making table to calculate the standard deviation. Now first we can make table, and after making table here is x, here is f, here is d equal to x minus a, and here is d square, here is fd, and here is fd square. To calculate standard deviation, first we assume any number from x. Here from here x we can assume any number 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I can choose assume a equal to 70. Now filling the given number 50 and x 50, 60, 70 also f this also, and now x 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 f 11, 5, 18, 15, 25, and d equal to x minus a. We subtract x and a, means 50 minus 70. First minus 20, second minus 10, third 0, and fourth 10, and fifth also 20. And d square, this square minus 20 square, so 400, 100, 0, 100, 400. Now we multiply f and d. 11 into minus 20, minus 220, minus 5 into minus 10, minus 50, also that, and 0 is 150, and is 500. Now we multiply f and d square. Now 11 into 400, 4400, and this also we can multiply. Now we calculate n and summation fd and summation fd square, and our n equal to 74, the total sum of f, and here summation fd mean the total sum of fd, which is 3800, and fd square, summation fd square mean the total sum of fd square, so 16400. Now we are calculating standard deviation SD. Standard deviation SD equal to root under summation f d square by n minus summation f d by n whole square. Then summation fd square equal to 16400, and n means 74, minus 380 upon 74 whole square, and then now root under taking making this square 16400 upon 74 minus 144,400 upon 5476 and now 195.973 and square root of 195.973 is equal to 13.973. Therefore standard deviation SD equal to 13.973. This is our first answer. Now calculating coefficient of standard deviation. For calculating coefficient of standard deviation, first we can find out the mean. For first find out actual mean. On first time we assume the mean. Now we can find out the actual mean. So for finding actual mean equal to A plus summation f d upon n. A mean last time we assume the A equal to 70, so we take here 70 plus 380 upon 74. This gives 75.1351. Now we can calculate coefficient of standard deviation. Now coefficient of standard deviation. Coefficient of standard deviation SD equal to SD upon mean, actual mean. So 13.973 upon 75.1351, which gives 0.1859, which is our coefficient of standard deviation. This way you can find out the coefficient of standard deviation and standard deviation. I hope you like our video. If you love our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.